and ginger are two spices that are commonly used in cooking and baking. Both spices have a distinct flavor and aroma, but they also offer numerous health benefits when consumed regularly. Cloves contain compounds that help promote healthy gut bacteria and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. Ginger has been shown to improve digestion and reduce symptoms of digestive disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Together, clove and ginger can help improve overall digestive health, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements. Both cloves and ginger contain natural compounds that can help boost immune health and fight off infections. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound that has been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Ginger contains gingerol, a natural compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming cloves and ginger regularly can help strengthen your immune system and reduce your risk of getting sick. Cloves and ginger can also be beneficial for oral health.